Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you which Android settings you need to turn off now, and also I'm gonna show you why. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and I promise you you're gonna learn a lot. And this tutorial actually gonna be very quick and simply explained. And let's jump in. Let me show which Android settings you need to turn off. But first, get your phone, open the settings, and search for apps in a settings searcher. If you don't have a settings searcher, you can easily just scroll down a little bit. You'll find here is apps. Click on manage app, and usually if you're using a Samsung phone, you can click on these three little dots on the right top corner, and here it will appear something like app permissions or permission apps, something like that. But as you can see, I have a shortcut about that here, permissions. Just click on permissions again. The point is to open permission manager. From here we can see the different permissions as location, contact, camera as well, and calendar and other things, of course. Let's say location. So from here we can find which apps we allowed to know our location. But that's a very bad thing about you're allowing some apps to know your location and to close your microphone. Let's say we have some suspected app. Let's say this app is Messenger. Actually, yeah, Messenger is a legal app. I know it has no virus, but just imagine it's a suspected app. So if you wanna turn off his permissions, just click on Messenger and click on deny. The same thing you're able to do for microphone, for contacts, for camera, for call logs. And yeah, if you find any suspected apps, you can disable their permissions about location, about contacts, camera, and other things. So yeah, my advice is the fewer apps you have allowed to use your location, to know your location, the better it is. So yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or shame to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.